Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So if you want to see how I got from this,
I told you I'll just fine
to this, stay tuned. I am going to be showing you guys how I refresh my curls, like after day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and also how I change the style up without doing extra. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because we are not done. I don't know why I'm doing all this extra. I think I'm feeling myself because like we're almost done. But okay, love you guys. So first and foremost, of course, we're gonna get these edges intact. I'm using my edge fixer. This is like the go. Like Aaliyah is really that girl for putting this on. Make sure you check out her page. I've mentioned her before. She is dope. I think it's Born to Be Original. But yeah, get those edges intact, boo, because a good style is only good if the edges are crisp. I'm messing with y'all. I'm just talking. I am just talking right now. But yeah, no. I always forget to like take out those parts. But yeah, so we already had our section already. Sorry, y'all. We already had our section already, which was really, really dope. So I'm just putting some more Eco Styler on it just to smooth it out. And then I'm going to Bantu knot it. You know, like, it's really dope to have one style that you can really just mix up. And with this style, you already have the little pocket, you know? So just really do your own thing when it comes to this style, because that little patch, that little square that we're working with right now, I could do some braids, I can do some twists, I can do some Bantu knots, I can do whatever. It's literally there for a reason. It's there to be creative. It is there to be creative. But yeah, twist that up. Well, Bantu knot that up. And then rubber band, man. Wow, it's a Taliban 9 in my right, 45 in my who I'm is. But now I am refreshing my twist. So, well, not my twist. I'm refreshing my curls. The good thing about refreshing my curls is that all I have to do is add water because the product is already there. Like, I don't want to oversaturate it. Well, not oversaturated, but I don't want to overdo it with the product. So all I do is go in with water and finger detangle my hair until it's, you know, detangled and just looking like how I want it to look. No extra product needed, nothing extra. It's literally something that I could do in the car. If y'all have me on Twitter, which I hope you guys do, I mean, not Twitter. If y'all have me on TikTok, which I hope you guys do, at ShawnDon0530, I do my hair in the car, like, a lot, which is really, really sad, I know. Like, girl, just do your hair at your house. But, yeah, I be procrastinating and stuff, so I definitely do my hair in the car. And I record it on TikTok. And this is the type of style I can do in the car. Like, everything's basically already done. I just have to refresh it with some water. So, yeah, it's really, these styles are meant to be easy. These styles are meant to be duplicated, you know, something that you can just really just quickly just search real quick and get it moving, you know? So I hope that's really doing that for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole Hairtober. We are literally almost done. We're at damn near the finish line. So yeah, just stick with me. We're almost there. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys continue enjoying watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, just watch me refresh these curls because they looking juicy in the back. So just keep watching until y'all see the front. Bye.
Easily I fall in love, you gotta do it